Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to adjust dimensions. So for example, you can draw lines and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now we'll set dimensions into the object. After it, if you want to adjust dimensions from this object, you can use the pull tools. Click this icon. Like I will click at these points and you can adjust to here and click to apply. If you want to set into thousands, you can click again at this face and then type 4, press enter again to set into 2000. Okay, in the top here, we also can move like this. And if you want to set into 1000, you can click again to the top, move to the bottom here, set into 58, press enter again. So we set into 1000. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp 2026 how to adjust dimensions.